Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making the best chipotle chicken burritos because it's fresher, cheaper, and overall they're just perfect every single time. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin by marinating our chicken. We're going to begin with 2 pounds of cubed chicken breast. To that we're going to add 2 minced chile chipotles with adobo sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1/4 of a minced onion. For our spices, we're going to be using 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chipotle powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper and salt. Now we're going to mix well and allow our chicken to get nice and coated with all of our spices. Okay, so once we have mixed all of our ingredients together, we're going to cover our chicken and allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. And while we wait, we can prep the rest of our ingredients. For our cilantro lime rice, we're going to begin by rinsing well 2 cups of white rice. So rinse with cold water until the water comes out nice and clear. In a pan over medium-high heat, we're going to bring to a boil 4 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to be adding our rice. We're going to mix it well. And at this point, you can taste it to see if you want to add a little bit more of the garlic salt. For me, it's always perfect. So now we're just going to cover it and reduce the heat to the lowest setting. And now just allow it to cook for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, our rice should be done and all of the water should have evaporated. So we're going to turn it off and set it to the side, allow it to rest for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, we're ready to finish up our rice. So we're going to begin with fluffing it up with a fork. And to that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lime juice, along with a handful of chopped cilantro. And now just mix well. And just like that, we have our cilantro lime rice. Alright, so once we have our cilantro lime rice ready, we can prepare the rest of our toppings and condiments. So here I already warm up my pinto beans, but of course if you want to use black beans, go ahead and do that. I already chopped my romaine lettuce. I smashed my avocado and added cilantro and onion. Got my pico de gallo. I mixed sour cream and crema mexicana so I can get the chipotle texture. And I have my salsa roja, my salsa verde, my cheese, and I just grilled some onion and red bell pepper. So now we can get ready to cook our chicken. Okay, to cook our chicken, we're going to grab our skillet and set it on high heat. And to that, just drizzle a little bit of oil and allow it to get nice and hot. And once hot, we're going to layer all of our chicken into a single layer. Now you don't want your chicken to boil, so if you have a smaller skillet, just make sure that you cook your chicken in batches. And allow your chicken to cook for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, move your chicken around and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, check your chicken to make sure that it is fully cooked. So grab the biggest piece and just make sure that it is all cooked. Okay, and at this point, I'm just going to be warming up my tortillas. Okay, once the tortilla is done, we can get ready to make our burritos. All right, so once we have everything prepared, we can get ready for the fun part. So I like to add lettuce to my burrito. So I'm going to begin by adding that. Just make sure that you place it off the center. Okay, I'm going to grab my rice, my beans, going to add the chicken, some cheese, fajita, going to add sour cream, the avocado, finish it with the pico. Okay, we can grab the ends and get ready to roll. Tuck it all in and roll. Alrighty, once we have it ready, we can get ready to enjoy. And I like to add the salsa as I'm enjoying my burrito. And of course, if you don't want to enjoy it in a burrito, you can always have it in a bowl. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this is one of the recipes that I enjoy the most making, just because when I have my kids, you know, I have them picking what they want in their burrito, and it's just a very special moment. The best part about this recipe too is that it's perfect every single time. So your chicken is so flavorful, the cilantro lime rice is just perfect, fluffy, flavorful, and it's just perfect, like I said, every single time. And of course the rest, you know, it's all preference on what you want in your burrito, but this is how we enjoy ours, and it is honestly the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. So I like to top my salsas while I'm eating my burrito. Got my green, and of course the chile de árbol. So my mouth is already watering. Cheers and enjoy. Nothing beats homemade. So good. The chicken, tender, juicy, and so flavorful. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my Chipotle chicken burritos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you record this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.